Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce translation mistakes with Google Translate, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce translation mistakes with Google Translate, follow these steps carefully. Begin by selecting the text you wish to translate. Copy the text to your clipboard. Open Google Translate in your web browser or app. Paste the copied text into the input box. Select the source language if it's not detected automatically. Choose the target language for your translation. Review the initial translation provided by Google Translate. Read the translation closely to ensure it captures the original meaning. If the translation seems inaccurate, consider rephrasing the original text for clarity. Use simpler language if possible, as complex sentences can lead to errors. After adjusting the text, repeat the translation process. Look at alternative translations by clicking on suggestions or synonyms provided by Google Translate. Always compare the translated text with the original to check for context. If a specific term or phrase seems off, use online dictionaries for additional context. Cross-reference with other translation tools to verify accuracy. Consider using Google Translate's back translation feature. Translate the output back to the original language. This helps you identify any discrepancies in meaning. Consult native speakers if you have access to them for a more nuanced understanding. Be aware of cultural differences that might affect translation. Stay patient and take your time to review all aspects of the translation. Using these steps consistently will help you significantly reduce translation mistakes with Google Translate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.